Simplified's video editor is a collaborative tool where you can share with your teammates or with external editors to get approval. You can share your project with an editor by clicking on the big yellow Share button in the upper right-hand corner. Next, you can either use a global preview link by toggling on this switch and copying and pasting this link. Once you go to a new window and enter the link, you'll be able to see a preview of the video. You can also add a teammate to your project for real-time collaboration by entering their email address. An editor is a guest who can edit and comment only on this project. They will not have access to your entire workspace. Once you send the invite, they'll be able to collaborate with you on this project via the comments section. You can add a comment by clicking on this little icon, and then you can tag workspace members. Simplified's video editor has real-time collaboration built right in for you and your team.